Come test drive the 2019 GX. The Lexus GX is a luxurious SUV that provides plenty of hauling functionality with its third-row seating, but also the capability to take off-road. The GX lets you ride in style while still providing you with plenty of versatility. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.